Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and yes, we're looking at the weekly market forecast. We're looking at the forecast of the market for this week, and we'll be looking at the Euro USD currency pair, GBP USD, USD CHF, and the USD JPY currency pairs. But first, before we get started, let's do a quick intro to our product. Now, this is the product that I offer, the premium Forex signal service, highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. It is worth more than the amount charged for it, but for now, I charge $200 monthly for the service. And what you get are highly profitable trading signals. Like I said, we give you the full details that you need to get into the signals and to and your exits as well, where to take your profits as well. And yeah, that's what we offer. We'll come back to that later in the course of this video. Now for Euro USD. Euro USD is still playing within these zones. That's the 0.07802 zone and the 0.0808809 zones. So the market is still playing between those zones. Now let's look at the weekly. Nothing significant to look out for. Nothing significant also in the monthly. But well, since the month of May has ended, that is a bullish candle on the monthly, with my signal that the market will push higher, but we cannot say for sure right now. So what should be our expectation? Well, for the current state of the market, what I would expect is that if the market pushes higher into the zone and give us a bearish day close below that zone, that's the 0.09872 zone, then I would expect some sells, some sells right there. I expect the market to sell off for some pips, at least a 1-to-1 trade using the turnaround candle as the risk, the close and the high of the candle using that as the risk. I expect some sells, but if we get the market to come, if we see the market come into the 1.07246 zone instead, what I will look out for is a bullish close above that zone. When I get a bullish close above that zone, I look for an opportunity to buy the market into the 0.078 into the 1.07802 zone, or even much higher, since we seem to have a current bullish move on the monthly time frame. But of course, we still have to approach this with some caution. So that would be my expectation for Euro USD going into the new month. What about GBP USD? Well, for GBP USD, let's take a look at the weekly. Okay, we have this expectation, this trend line that started from I think that's the 9th of July 2023, held right here on the 3rd of March 2024, and the market is coming close to that zone as well. So I would expect that if the market comes into that zone, what I would expect is that a bearish day close below this candle, and I'll possibly look for an horizontal area as well in the market. There actually is one. There's an horizontal zone in the market. I think I plotted it on this other chart of the GBP USD. Yeah, it's right here. It's at the 1.27712. Let me copy that and paste it. Move to the daily. Okay, so if we get the market to come into this zone, and on the weekly the market comes in contact with this expected trend line and then closes below this 1.27712 zone on the daily, then I'll look for opportunities to sell if it gives a bearish day close below that candle. That is something like this. The market pushes in here and gives us a bearish day close below that candle, below that zone rather. That's the 1.27712 zone. Then I would expect some sells from that point into the 1.26921 zone, or even much lower than that. That's what I'll be expecting for the weekly, for the GBP USD currency pair. But what if the market comes into this zone first? Well, what I would expect is a bullish day close above that zone. If we get a bullish day close above that zone, then we can look for opportunities to buy the market into the 1.26921 zone. That will be that for GBP USD. Let us move to the USD CHF currency pair. Now for USD CHF, let's take a look at the monthly. What do we have here? Okay, that's a major, that looks like a major turnaround right there. The market has come into a major zone, and then it's actually a monthly zone, a zone that has acted as support in the monthly time frame in the past years. So it has some concentrated sell orders at that zone, or let's say concentrated supply. Yeah. So now what are we going to do? This is what I would expect going into the new month. If we get the mark, if we see price come into the zone, if we see price come into the 0.91874 zone and give us a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll look for opportunities to sell the market into the, then I would suggest that you look for opportunities to sell the market into the 0.90848 zone, or even much lower than that. But what if price comes into this zone first? If price comes into this price zone of the 0.89272 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then we can look for opportunities to buy into the 0.90848 zone as well. That's what I'll be looking out for the USD CHF currency pair. Simple and straightforward. Now to the Usdjpy, nothing much. We're still keeping our fingers crossed, since on the monthly we can see that we don't have the data to look for any support right now. So we are waiting for price to come back into this zone. That's the 151.65 zone, or even much lower than that, before we can look for opportunities to join the bullish trend. But until then, we keep our fingers crossed. So that's that for Usdjpy. Now back to the product that we offer. The Mike Earn Premium Forex Signal Service. This service will take your trading to the highest level. For $200 monthly, you get the opportunity to enjoy high probability trading signals, highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. Now, to be part of us, my direct contact is in the description below. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up. And let's talk about how you can come on board, how you can be part of what we do. It's very simple. Just come on board. And on this channel, on this YouTube channel, we give predictions, right? And if you follow closely, you can see how very valid our predictions are. And if you also check this YouTube channel, you can see what happened in the trading channel, in the premium forex signal service channel in 1 month. Yeah, you can see how profitable we were in 1 month. So you can check for yourself to see if it is worth it. And when you verify that, you can come on board and join us. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video. I'll be expecting you. Bye for now.